Introduction: The dawn of industry. The Industrial Revolution began in the late 18th century, transforming societies from agrarian economies into industrial powerhouses. This transformation unfolded in distinct phases, each marked by groundbreaking innovations. Industry 1.0: Steam Power and Mechanization. In the late 1700s, the invention of the steam engine by Thomas Newcomen in 1712 revolutionized industries by providing a reliable source of power. This advancement enabled the mechanization of textile mills, ironworks, and coal mines, significantly increasing production capabilities. Industry 2.0: Electrification and Mass Production. The late 19th century ushered in the Second Industrial Revolution, characterized by the widespread adoption of electricity. Innovations such as the incandescent light bulb by Thomas Edison and the development of electric motors powered assembly lines, leading to mass production techniques. This era also saw the rise of steel production and the expansion of railroads, further fueling industrial growth. Industry 3.0: The Digital Revolution. The mid-20th century marked the onset of the Third Industrial Revolution, driven by the advent of electronics, information technology, and automation. The invention of the transistor in 1947 paved the way for computers and the Internet, transforming industries by enabling faster communication, data processing, and automation of manufacturing processes. Industry 4.0: Cyber-Physical Systems and Smart Manufacturing. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, or Industry 4.0, is characterized by the integration of cyber-physical systems, IoT, AI, and advanced robotics into manufacturing processes. This fusion allows for real-time data collection, predictive maintenance, and autonomous decision-making, leading to more efficient and flexible production systems. Industry 5.0: Human-Centric Innovation. Building upon the advancements of Industry 4.0, the Fifth Industrial Revolution emphasizes the collaboration between humans and machines to achieve greater innovation and societal well-being. Key concepts: human-machine collaboration. Robots and AI systems work alongside humans, enhancing capabilities and allowing workers to focus on creative and strategic tasks. Sustainability. Industry 5.0 promotes eco-friendly practices, such as energy-efficient manufacturing and sustainable resource management. Customization and personalization. Advanced technologies enable the production of highly customized products tailored to individual preferences. Resilience. Flexible systems and decentralized production models enhance the ability to adapt to disruptions and changing market demands. Looking ahead, Industry 6.0 and beyond. As we look to the future, emerging technologies such as quantum computing, advanced robotics, and artificial general intelligence (AGI) are poised to drive the next phase of industrial evolution. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize industries by enabling unprecedented levels of automation, efficiency, and innovation. Call to action: to stay informed about the latest developments in industrial revolutions and their impact on our world, subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll gain insights into how these technological advancements are shaping industries, economies, and societies. Don't miss out on the future. Subscribe now and be part of the conversation.